Where are you from?
Ashiqi, Shah Jahan,
Ajmer.
Taj Mahal. From Tajikistan. Again.
Where are you from?
Guess where I'm from?
England.
Yeah, I'm England. No, I'm not England, bro. You're crazy, bro. Guess where I'm from? Guess where I'm from? Guess where I'm from?
From London.
No, so I take you some tips, okay? आसमान, दुनिया, ज़मीन, ज़िंदगी, आशिकी, मोहब्बत.
You are Asian?
Huh?
You are Asian?
Yeah, I'm Asian. So tell me. You know what does mean zindagi?
Yeah.
You know what does mean ashiki?
That's why you are Asian.
So tell me, which word is it from and which nation I am, which is my identity? I'm just recording you. It's interesting.
Pakistan.
No.
India.
No.
Do I look like Pakistani or
No.
you just like randomly saying these words, bro?
No idea, man.
So, do you know from where the guy is coming? For example, Shah Jahan. Have you any idea about who is that Shah Jahan?
Yeah.
Who is it?
He's a Mughal emperor.
Yeah. So where from he come to India? You guys.
No idea.
No
Oh
idea.
my God.
I'm weak in
Have
my
you been in
history.
Agra?
Yeah.
Have you seen what
Taj
kind
Mahal.
of
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal? So, if you seen in the walls, which language writing?
Arabic. Urdu.
Say again.
Arabic.
La.
This is Urdu.
La.
Okay.
Yo, bro. Persian.
Persian.
Oh.
Persian.
Yeah. Okay.
We only
My
know
God. You guys living in India, I have no any idea. Which
We-
part of India you're living?
Maharashtra. We only know Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. You know?
We are from Maharashtra.
Oh, it's another
Yeah.
another
state.
part. So no, I don't know about this country. So actually, I'm from Tajikistan.
Oh,
Tajikistan.
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 Have you heard about Tajikistan? Anything?
No.
No any idea, huh?
No idea.
Oh my God, you guys make me feel bad. But you see, I know about Indian culture, about India more than you guys.
Yeah.
Why?
That's good.
Why is like that? What's your name, bro?
Pradeep.
Huh?
Pradeep.
Pradeep. My name is Shahrukh. My name is Shahrukh.
Khan.
No, Khan. What's your name?
Shreyas.
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 Kiran.
Kiran.
Okay.
I guess it's your name is Indian.
Yeah.
You know Shahrukh, right?
Yeah.
Shahrukh Khan.
It's Persian name.
Yeah.
Shahrukh, it's mean like
Oh.
Shah Jahan. Shah, it's mean king.
Yeah.
Shahrukh mean king face. You know what I mean?
Yeah. He was
So,
explaining.
pleasure to talk with you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Arigato, namaste и так далее. Bye bye, guys. Короче, они не знают про Шах Джахан, про... Боже, они ничего не знают. Я в шоке, короче. Я начал им объяснять то, что в Индии есть такое место, Агра называется, да? И там на стенах на фарси написано. Вот так.